Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can copy link from your Shein app. So to copy link of any product you want to purchase, which you want to share with your friends, you can simply follow these easy steps. So first of all, to do so you need to tap open your Shein app itself. So once you have opened the Shein app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the product you want to copy link of. So once you have selected the product, you can simply be in this interface where you can find the three connecting dots like icons. So simply tap on it and there you can find the copy link icon as well. So once you tap on copy link, now your link of that particular product has been copied to the clipboard and is accessible to be shared to anyone. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.